Hello and good day to all of you. So this video actually I'm specifically making for my subscriber on YouTube, which is Geophysics Inside. So I would like to invite you for my new course, which is Python and Machine Learning for Geoscience. So in this course, it is a very detailed course, and you would learn how the Python and machine learning, how we can utilize them in geophysics, geology, geoscience, or any sort of things. Like there is a very strong foundation you will build using the Python programming languages, which is specifically for geoscience. And also we will develop the predictive models for lithology classification, reservoir characterization, and also some environmental analysis like prediction of the good weather or bad weather, and also a lot of application which is related to the earth sciences. So I'll not go into detail. Obviously, you can click on this link. I mean, I will give the link in the description, and you can join the course or you can look at the course. So there are like three. So this course is actually 14.5 hours, which is consists of different videos. Also, we have like one or two assignments, and we have all the codes which we are working and learning in the course. It will attach with together with that. So actually, it consists of 9 chapters in which we start with the introduction, like what is machine learning, what are the differences between machine learning, AI, ML, and generative AI, and why we use machine learning, types of machine learning, and also knowledge-based learning, how the computer trained actually. So when you will click on the review the video, so preview the videos, so you will see multiple videos which is available just to have a look on that, and you can run all these things to learn more into details. Then we will dive into the Jupyter notebook. Like if you are a very initial learner, so you can start with learning what is Python and why it is needed in geoscience, then installing. So I've given all the instructions. Then you have the formal understanding of Jupyter, like how you organize the files. Then we have some simple mathematics functions. Then further we have a lot of example like geophysical mathematics, linear, nonlinear, exponential board. So this is the second chapter. Then in the third chapter, we will be diving into the supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning will give an overview, then we will understand the regression, like ordinary, simple, multiple, polynomial regressions, Bayesian, quantile, isotonic, and also we will work with the Python Jupyter notebook for this part. Then in the fourth chapter, again, we are looking at the supervised machine learning, which is about classification, regularization, KNN, SVM, decision tree. So all of them, I mean, it is not only the theoretical part, but also we have some weather data and also multiple logistic regression we can apply. And you will be using some of the Python files, which will be very useful for you. Also, you can download all of the material which we are using in the software, and you can utilize them. Then the fifth chapter is also consist of the supervised machine learning, because supervised machine learning is most common and popular, which we will be using in geoscience. We have like KNN, K nearest neighbor, like implementation in Python. Then we have KNN subsurface lithology prediction, like we'll be using synthetic well log. Then we'll be using to the real well logs from the North Sea. Then we have SVM and so on, like decision tree, random forest, need, wave, time series, dimensional integration, machine learning exploration, diffraction workflow. So these are the sixth chapter. Then seventh chapter is consist of the things like semi-supervised and reinforcement learning. So why this is important, I will dive into every part of this one. Then also I introduce a little bit about the convolutional neural network with Python codes example. So we get an overview of the CNN, then what are the component of CNN, like we have convolutional layer, pooling layer, fully connected layers. Also different layers we have like pooling layers, fully connected, filter hyper parameters, then you only look once, you do RN and RCNN, which is region convolutional network. Then we have some key terminology like epoch, training accuracy loss, validation accuracy loss. So these are important things. And lastly, we will have CNN in Python, like simple introductions, in which we will be looking at a simple example. Then also we're looking at the seismology example for CNN, then also exploration, seismic like unit for solid body direction or segmentation. Then we have exploration seismic like CNN fault and via sliding window. Then also we can have a look on the assignments. So this is only the assignment, I keep it for the time being. But later on, if you demand, then we can put more exercises. Then lastly, which is the chapter 9, this is actually the additional, or you can say the bonus lectures. In this, I am providing you a course in which you can load your data, seismic data, and you can train your model. You can pick the fishes, fault, different type of fishes to train your models. Then in part 2, you can use that fishes which you have interpreted, then you can do the trading based on that, then you can do the prediction. So this is a bonus lecture for you. So I mean, without further delay, I mean, you can join this lecture. So I'm offering like free for first 100 students. But that's all. Thank you so much and wish you all the best. Thank you. Have a good day.